So what happens when moon is in your 12th house? Okay, so all those who have moon in your 12th house, they know it's a very tense situation, right? It's kind of a mental torture. Whenever things are not going well in their life, they feel like everything is upset. They are so much tensed, though, like normally tensed more than the normal people. These people get too much tensed as a moon which represents your brain, your mental status, and that moon is in your 12th house. Okay, so things whenever they are not right, these people are literally mentally out of control. Many of them are kind of in very deep depression. They start drinking like anything, smoking like anything, just to escape the roots, escape the situation. And in that situation they get so depressed that they start taking wrong measures like drinking, smoking. All these kind of things start happening with them. And what's the second thing which is seen when you have moon in your 12th house? You are normally detached from your mother. Okay, maybe like your mother might be in a job, in a service, and she is not uh, able to give you the right nourishment which you need, or she is in some other distant location. Okay, so these kind of things I've seen with this kind of a placement. And also, like, whenever you are guys are in a relationship, you get too much attached, and when that relation is when the end of that relation is taking place, you get too much of tension, okay, because of your moon. And these kind of things I've seen when your moon is in 12th house. You can simply see some kind of a tension also many times on the faces of the people who have moon in their 12th house. These people get in depression very easily. But one very positive thing with the people who have moon in their 12th house is their intuition. They have very strong intuition powers. Okay, many times it has been seen that they are able to see the future. Suppose they are talking to someone, and while talking to that particular person, they get a gist of that something is gonna happen with this particular person. So something wrong can happen between us. So they literally distance themselves from that particular person. So they really have very good intuition powers. They can sense emotion, others emotions very easily. Okay, so if you have moon in your 12th house, and if you think your intuition power is not that good, maybe you should start doing some meditation, because after some meditation you will develop that ability to see the future, which the god has given you. The aspect, like, the god has given you those powers. Okay, so you should activate those powers. You should activate your intuition powers many times in their life. There can be situations when they will find themselves that their intuition previously in that particular situation has helped them to overcome that thing. Okay, so these kind of powers are seen with the people with their moon in 12th house. And most of these people live in isolation. They really like the situation when they are alone. Okay, whenever they are with someone, when they are very close, when they are in a closed group, they don't like these kind of a thing. Suppose they are in a college, and when all the people in the college are going for parties, they don't like that thing. They want to be distant from the crowd. Okay, they want to spend their time with themselves, with the situation themselves. They like to be alone, they like to be separated, they like to be isolated. And whenever they are alone, whenever they are isolated, they feel better themselves. Okay, and when the things are not fine, they literally, they very easily go in depression. Yeah, this is my analysis of moon in 12th house. And stay, and all those people who have moon in their 12th house understand, like, don't get too much emotional, don't overreact sometimes because of your mental status. Things are fine, things will be fine. And do not get toxic, do not drink alcohol, smoke whenever things are not fine. Just activate your intuition powers. These powers are really gonna help you like anything. So this is my analysis. Thank you.